Hi, this is James Shug with the Westpac London's end of day report for Monday, October the 10th. Look, not much economic data to report. We had a European investor confidence index which fell again. It's running at around the levels it was actually as Europe entered recession in 2008. So a worrying signal, particularly given that there's other surveys that also point to recessionary levels. Such as PMI surveys and consumer confidence surveys. Nevertheless, it's not clear cut that Europe's in recession just yet. We had some German export numbers out today that were very solid. August figures showed a 3 or 4% rise after a couple of months of decline on the export front there. No US data to report today though. Columbus Day holiday over there. Some markets still trading though. Look, the big news was really what happened yesterday on Sunday, and that was Angela Merkel and Nicolas Sarkozy basically saying that by the end of this month they will have a plan in place to capitalise or recapitalise the European banking system as required. I'll give you an exact quote, in fact, from Sarkozy. By the end of the month, we will have responded to the crisis issue and to the vision issue. Basically, the next big meeting internationally is going to be the G20 meeting in Cannes in the south of France. That's on November 3rd. And our view at Westpac is that we're going to see a whole range of announcements around that time. Probably the debt restructure of Greece, this bank recapitalisation plan and all the details. Remember, there was a wobble in US markets late on Friday when we saw that, or heard that the French and Germans were disagreeing about how the banks should be recapitalised. Should it be the government that steps in and recapitalises them, the national banks in any particular country, or should it be the European Financial Stability Facility? That was a cause of conflict between the French and the Germans apparently. What they're now saying is that they've worked through those differences and will get the details of the plan before the end of the month. Equity markets have loved that. It's not often you see such a positive response in stock markets to what the French and German politicians are saying, but as I speak, at the close of trade in Europe, it's just gone 5 o'clock, we've got the FTSE up 1.8%, the French market's up 2.1%, and the German market's up 3% today. The positive sentiment has continued in US trading, with the Dow up 2.4% at the moment, and the broader S&P measure is up 2.8%. So positive equity markets really just related to a sense that European politicians are finally starting to get something done, get some plan put into place to avert the worst of possible outcomes related to the European sovereign debt crisis. I'll be back with more tomorrow. Oh, Aussie dollar and commodities, forgot to mention. All very positive. Aussie dollar's just under parity at the moment, 99.88 US cents. It's up a couple of cents today, and commodity prices are soaring, with sugar up 5%. Crude oil's up 3.5% at $85.82 a barrel. Copper's up 3.4%, and gold is up 2.2% at $1,672 an ounce. Speak to you tomorrow.